Red rice dosa. This red rice contains lots of nutrients. Let's see the preparation. This is the red rice. My measurement gives approximately 15 dosa, 15 to 18 dosa. Take 2 cup of rice. My cup measurement is 400 ml, and then 1 cup of matta rice flakes. The spelling is M-A-T-T-A, matta rice flakes. Take 1 cup of this flakes and then 3 tablespoons of tapioca pearls or sabudana. Soak the rice and tapioca pearls for 3 hours. Now you can see the color after washing this rice. The color is so bright. Also, I soaked the rice flakes like this. Soak the rice flakes and rice separately. After completing 3 hours, grind this like a normal dosa batter. I'm using this machine. If you are not having this machine, you can use the normal mixer grinder. Include this food items in your menu. This food contains lots of health benefits for all ages, especially for growing children. Now it's completed. This is the consistency. Add salt according to your taste. You can use this batter immediately, or you can store this for 8 hours and then you can use this after formation of yeast. Both the taste will good. Now I will show you one dosa. Generally, all of us want to include the healthy food in the diet, but the problem is we don't know how to prepare that food. Try this food recipe. You will definitely include this into your menu. This dosa go with all chutneys, also excellent combination with sambar. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching my video.